Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Khakhar and today I am going to talk about concentration in studies. Well, this is the topic which normally students are asking for because they are always lacking concentration in studies. There are so many aspects which affects the concentration, but from all those I have picked very common and always neglected aspects which we never thought about that this also affects our concentration. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. So first of all, before starting the video, I would like to say this is going to be a kind of candid talk with you guys, because I have thought that I don't want to make a kind of a process or step or a kind of tips video, but it is going to be a very candid talk with you guys. So if you think that I have missed out any of the point, or if you think that there are such things which are really important and I didn't speak in the video, then please you can put it in the comment section. So now I would like to start with the video. First thing, when it comes to concentration, why you are not able to do it? Because you are always stick with your phone. I'm sure that you guys will be like, no ma'am, we are not using our phone much, we are simply studying, we are always with our books. But everybody knows that you all are busy with your phone. Always you are busy with your Netflix or maybe YouTube. Whole day you are spending in your cell phone or maybe iPad or laptop, anything. But if you really want to concentrate, then I would say is please put your phone aside and start studying. When you are putting your cell phone and your tablet or something aside, I would say is create a beautiful environment in your room. So first thing what you need to do is keep your doors, your windows open. Let the fresh air come inside your room. Let it give you positive energy, because when you are studying, you really need positive energy, and fresh air brings beautiful environment in your room. So first thing, please stop closing all the doors of your room and study. It is going to give you negative impact. It is going to give you frustration. It is going to give you irritation. All those things are going to happen. So first thing is put all the windows and the doors open for your studies. And when you are sitting for study, keep at least a bottle of water and a few nuts with you, because we are always having that excuse that I am hungry and I want to drink water. If you really feel so, if you're really getting hungry so soon, or if you are getting thirsty so soon, then please keep a bottle and a box of nuts with you, so that you don't get hungry and you're not affected with your thirst. When it comes to studies, and I always suggest my students to get up early and study, because it gives you really good energy when it comes to studies, because you had really sound sleep, right? And after that you are studying, you really had sound sleep, and now you're planning to have proper studies. So it drives you, it gives you good energy, right? Your body is ready to face this, your mind is ready to read. But when you are thinking to read at night, you are already tired, your mind is tired, your eyes are tired, and then you're planning to study. It might not give you the good result or the expected result which you wanted. But the early morning studies always give brilliant results. So this is one of the things I always tell students, that get up early and study, which will really give you good results. But when you are thinking to study in the early morning, don't ever study empty stomach. Always have proper king size breakfast. I'm not talking about simply having few nuts and you're directly sitting to study. No, don't ever do that. Do not ever do that. When you are planning that I want to study right now, then especially in the early morning, then please have heavy breakfast. Good breakfast. It really gives you energy, because your stomach is full, so your mind is ready to accept anything, because now your mind is able to concentrate in studies. Beforehand it was not able to, because it was concentrating in hunger. Now you are all full and you can easily study. So first thing I would always say is please have proper food, which is very important. After having food, after let's say you already study for 2-3 hours, it's fine if you're taking 5 to 10 minutes of break. It's really okay because break is much needed, but at that time I would not suggest to use cell phone, because your 5 to 10 minutes of break will turn into 1 hour of break. So I would say is, do not use your phone at that time. Simply close your eyes and sit. That will really help you. You will be charged again to study. All these points, or all the things whichever I talked right now, is going to help you if you are having proper schedule. Have at least weekly plan, or 10 days plan, fortnight plan, or maybe monthly plan, whatever plan you are good for. You can have a proper planner. That planner will help you to stick with that routine. So have a schedule. This will help you to concentrate, because you are knowing that next day what you are supposed to do. So you don't want to pile on your work. So it will surely give you the trigger that you have to finish the topic anyhow, and then you will go off to sleep. So I think after having such a tight schedule, you are not going to have time for your cell phone or maybe iPad, right? So I would say is, sit right now, have proper schedule, and from tomorrow itself start with this routine. It is going to help you a lot in concentration. So this was it about today's video, and if you think that it was really helpful and these are the points which will help you to have concentration in studies, then please put it in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much.